Hey everybody, this is Bill. Welcome to the channel. Today we're talking real estate investing. At one of our properties, we have installed a Millings driveway. Let's check it out. So at one of our properties, we have a project that we're embarking on later this week. We're going to be doing two things here. Number one, we've got some low area here in the back, which accumulates water in the summertime when it rains. So we're going to try to get this taken care of here a little bit. We're going to bring in a couple dump truck loads of dirt to kind of raise the overall level of the property back here, and hopefully the water can go off back to the rear over here and not stand pat right here and make a big puddle where mosquitoes and things like that can come. Also, our drive that we have was some kind of a pebbles thing that was put down there. Really not that effective anymore, so we're bringing in some asphalt gravel millings to put in here. And this is really going to be beneficial. Going to make some parking areas back here, and of course up in the front area as well that we're going to have. So we're real excited about this this project that's embarking later this week. As we can see, the water piles up here in the drive, and we're going to get rid of that with this new gravel that we got coming. Going to alleviate that problem, get everything squared away, nice, clean, and comfortable for everybody all along here. So really gonna be an improvement. It's gonna also help with water drainage. And then back here, I've already had a dump truck full of dirt delivered back here, and we're gonna put this spread this out back here. It's kind of a low area that accumulates water, so we're gonna get this spread out and hope to alleviate that problem. So we got a lot of this put down now. Dump truck. The Bobcat lays this down, it's going to look a lot better for sure. So when this gets spread out, this is going to be a little bit wider than we anticipated, but that's fine. We need a good area for the folks to get their cars back here. And then again, we do have this dirt we're going to spread out back here and get this all put in this low area here. It's kind of the low country, but it's not South Carolina. We're here in Florida, but this is kind of the low country back here in the back of this place. So we're going to get some dirt put in here to alleviate that problem. But this is really going to be good when we get this all put down with the Bobcat here shortly. Alleviate a lot of our flooding issues and make it a nice drive for the folks coming in. Just evening out this driveway here. So over here, we're going to need a couple, we're going to need some extra dirt millings over here, because this is kind of sunken in a way over here, so we're going to need some extra to level it out with the driveway. So it's kind of over by the septic tank. You may have seen our video septic shock that we did a couple months back, where we had to put a new septic tank in here. So yeah, this is going to take some extra millings when we get back with the dump truck. But everything looking good so far. Load 1 of millings among 3 has been laid, and the dirt in the back has also been laid. So everything looking really sharp over here so far. Boy howdy, that's a good looking dump truck these fellas have got right there. I gotta tell you, looks really sharp. So we got a break in the action here. The Bobcat has had some technical difficulties, so called in a mechanic here to get the Bobcat squared away, so we can get back to leveling out the dirt of the second dump truck that just came and went. And he's gone. Okay, so we're all finished with the delivery of the millings and the dirt and the application. So we're real excited about this. This is really going to help the accumulation of water back here when it rains. Really going to be really cool, and real excited about that. So it's going to be really nice. Now we flared out this drive a little bit, made it a little wider for someone who has 2 cars. The current tenant here only has 1 car, so it works out really good. But the drive all heading up to the street, really looking good with this these millings. This will get packed down, rain, weather, so forth. Really gonna look sharp. Really pleased with what's gone on here. Out front right here, we got a really good situation coming off the street. We expanded the parking area here for the front tenants. It's going to really be cool. If they get out of their car, there's not going to be any water accumulation for them to drag dirt into the home. That's going to really look sporty, really be good for them. And as you can see, heading back to the back of the place, it looks really good. All done, really looks nice. And then out front here to the street, really looks good. So we're really pleased with all this activity. Well, folks, if you're interested in real estate investing, perhaps you're a property manager, you have some rentals, we cover a lot of things that rental property managers run into. So we would appreciate you liking and subscribing to our page. Maybe you'll run into something that you need some information on. Well, that's all we have for today. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time.